yes, we have got everything just about cleaned up here. And I gotta admit, I got a pretty mean lineup here. We got the Urban Bourbon down here. We got the OVS giveaway truck. Ends December 16th. Get entered while you can. We got the Mustang over here. Then we got the F450. We got the trailer over here. We got the camper. But today is, lo and behold, as you can tell by the title and the thumbnail, about the F450. Now, I am freaking excited. I absolutely love this truck, as you guys do know. And last time Mike, Street Speed 717, and I got into a little bit of a tug of war, he cheated. So we're gonna see if the tables can turn now, and he has 2 Duramaxes. So the first tug of war we're gonna do with his big bad Duramax, Dirty Girl, and we're gonna do a tug of war against that 4-wheel drive for 4-wheel drive. Then the second time we're gonna do his other OBS in front of that Duramax, or his other Duramax in front of the other Duramax, against the big girl here, the F450. Now, lo and behold, I did make a few phone calls to get a couple other people out here. However, they have busy work schedules, and by the time they'd be able to get here, all for their work, the sun would be set. So we do have a 24 valve Cummins coming out also, if he can get there before it gets dark. And also we have the infamous DFR. That's right, Andy from Diablo Formula Racing is going to bring up his Duramax dually, and we're going to go head to head against the F450. So stay tuned for that, guys. Like I said, I have a Humvee coming out probably Saturday, or a Hummer, I should say. Sorry, don't want to call it a Humvee, it's an H1. I have a school bus that's going to come out. I mean, we got some cool things that are going to come out and do a tug of war with the F450. So stay tuned for them videos. And December is going to be one heck of a month for you guys. So without further ado, let's get you a cold start of the old big girl here, and we're going to head down to Mike's place. Whew. I won't lie, guys, it is freaking cold out.
It's so easy to dip, so hard to put down.
Oh yeah, big girl is getting warmed up, and we're gonna do a little tug-of-war. Woo! I'm pumped. Who do you think is gonna win down below? Dirty Max versus this, and then 2 Dirty Maxes versus this, and then Andy's Duramax dually versus this. Drop your comments down below. Who do you think is gonna be victorious? Alrighty, guys, well, we have arrived. Like I said, we had some things in the making here. If you don't follow me on Instagram, now's a good time to do it. Send it _Steve. I'm gonna apologize if you get a little bit of wind noise in this vlog. I'm sorry, it's super windy out here. But we got the Dirty Max, we got the F450, and then we got the OG, probably gonna break something, Duramax from Andy DFR.
Listen, I just need a ride home. That's all I need. You know,
I promised Andy that once his truck breaks, I will take him home.
And
I'll probably be nice and lend him a vehicle, because he's gonna need it. But we got kind of a weird video going out. It's gonna involve every truck that you see here, and
the trailer.
yeah, and stay tuned for an update on the trailer. Actually, here's the trailer update here. So,
you have 4-wheel drive, you don't need ramps.
Mike gives me crap all the time. This is that it's just a 6. Hey buddy, hey pal.
Yeah, I don't know what that was.
Yeah, that was really weird.
We don't say dude and bro all the time.
Dude and bro, yeah, I don't think I've ever said dude or bro.
Not appreciated.
Not at all. But everybody says I'm rough on my stuff. You have no taillights even left.
No.
Just a bulb.
Wow.
I sold you this thing. There's a huge dent. I sold you this thing in perfect working order. Now
get the hell out of here.
There's half a light.
Order my ass.
Oh my god.
My car down to Benson.
Yeah, we took his car down.
It always works.
Unbelievable.
It works great. It might not be pretty, but it works.
It does work. I'll give you that. It does work. And it was cheap. Let's be honest. It was cheap.
Works better than Gavin's Mustang.
Woo! Take that. It's just a 6.
Shout out. I need some subscribers.
Absolutely. I did ask Mike to get me to 100K, and he failed miserably.
You're like almost that. You asked me, and I was like, you're at 96K. What do you want me to do?
I do want to hit 100,000 by the end of the year, guys. But if you guys don't know Mike, Street Speed 717, he's obviously got this gorgeous ZR1 and this green McLaren.
Shout out right now, but that cowboy shirt is just really
epic, dude. We're crapping the bed this year. We're crapping the bed. Hey, I ordered a new hoodie or a new jacket for Black Friday, so it should be here soon. But anyway, definitely check him out. He's got some pretty cool cars, pretty cool content, and he's who started me. So I thank you.
Hey, you're welcome, bud. Check out Senate Steve.
Cool little Corrado too.
He's getting to 100K here. He's gonna be there. You're gonna be there in like a couple weeks.
I hope so.
Yeah.
I hope so.
Yeah, thank you. My Volkswagen is nice. I do.
Definitely. I like the bikes and the kid thing over there.
There's a stroller over there somewhere.
Mike doesn't have children.
No, not yet.
He
I won't ask about the
He has
stroller.
3 of them right now.
Yeah.
All right, so what are we... He does have 2 supercars, though.
VR6?
No turbo. No turbo.
I didn't know the
No,
Scoop was
I
carbon
know.
fiber on
It'd
top.
be cool.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. I didn't realize. I thought that was just black on the top. I didn't realize it was carbon fiber.
Full carbon body.
Yeah, I didn't realize that. When I seen the video of it, I was like, oh shit, it just... I thought it was just regular like matte black or like
we
a
went
gloss
black.
black.
Guys, the color of this car is absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to just talk over him right now because this is my vlog and I can do what I want. But what are we here to do today?
Maybe that's what Gavin was talking about because we're all vlogging. We always vlog with our little cameras at the same time. And we're always like doing.
You know what? Now
Maybe we need to upgrade it.
Now that we just talked a
get the
little
big
crap, I
cameras.
do kind of see what he means. But we don't say dude and bro and dude and back and forth like that. But yes, I do see what he means. We do have cameras out, and it is sometimes hard to film, especially with this guy.
Literally,
It's just
the
heavier.
only thing that matters in the tug-of-war is weight and traction.
He has no traction.
Dude, those tires are fine, and they're huge. What did you smoke this morning?
All right, guys. So first up, this is what we brought you here to see: F450 versus Duramax, the green one.
Ain't no way that Ford's
So, Mike,
Duramax.
who's your money on?
Oh my God, the Ford's gonna win no problem.
I don't know.
You got way more traction, and you got more weight. That's all.
Come on, let's go.
Andy's ready. Andy's feeling lucky. He's feeling lucky. I'll give him a little bit of credit, but you know what? He doesn't stand a chance. We all know the F450's got it in the bag. Let me get my brand new straps out here, and we're gonna have some fun. Stand by. I'm down for
We're
whatever.
gonna do like a 3, 2, 1.
We do have a Cummins en route.
Are we doing like a 3, 2, 1? Whoever yells, but on 1 we go.
Sure.
All right. Mike, you're gonna yell 3, 2, 1 on 1 we go.
You want to hold this in video?
No, 3, 2, 1, and
I'm
on
gonna
1
drag
we
him
go.
all over this planet.
All right.
Is it recording
There you go, Mike. I'll give you the responsibility of GoProing, buddy. I'm good to go. All right, I'm good to go.
Hopefully the wind ain't too bad here.
So we got a little commentary here. What's your pro opinion here?
For
What do
sure,
you think?
I feel like it's got to be the Ford.
Yeah.
It's way heavier.
Mike, you better be loud.
I'll be loud. It's way heavy.
I have a feeling that this is gonna go south, meaning that way.
That direction, yes.
All right, guys. Well, tug-of-war against Andy. Here we go. Obviously, he's already tugging on my truck a little bit. You know these guys in the GMs. They all do their cheating. It is what it is. I'm not scared. Let's get this going.
Are you ready? Ready. All right. 3, 2, 1.
That's a Ford win.
Obviously, as you see, we come out victorious. He did start spinning really, really early.
I couldn't help it.
Definitely. Look at the nice little pull I did here. And then look at his, he just did a straight burnout. So far, F451, Chevy guys, 0. Well, bye, Andy. Sorry to send you home that way. Take care. Alrighty, guys, LBZ versus manual Cummins. 2-wheel drive. Pull forward a little so you get all the slack out. Wow, the picture on that is actually phenomenal. Maybe we have to upgrade here soon. All right, you want to say go or you want to go on 1? 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, the LBZ. All right. Oh, he had traction control on. His traction control was kicking on and off. He said go again, say 2-wheel drive. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, so at this rate, I think it's pretty fair. Oh, the Cummins. That was actually a lot more fair than I thought. That was actually a lot more fair than I thought.
I can't believe
That was
it
good.
close.
Yeah,
Oh man, I dug in good.
definitely.
I thought with those little tires, I was like, oh, there's no way I'm gonna win.
Yeah, definitely. That was actually pretty good. All right, now it's 4-wheel drive versus 4-wheel drive. 3, 2, 1, go! There's a clear victor in that one. That was a pretty clear victory. Yeah. All right, I gotta give it to the Cummins on that one. Cummins guys, 1. Ford guys, 1. Chevy guys, 0.
Stock! That was a good one.
Oh, should I turn yours off?
Oh man.
If we lose this, at least we're going against 2 trucks. But I think it could be fun. It could be fair. Mike's definitely going to be in 4-wheel drive. You already know that. But it is what it is. Let's have some fun with it. You guys definitely got to check out Mike's channel for his content. I'll put a little bit in my video, but definitely got to check Mike out. He definitely did some work here. Everybody wants to know how bad the F450 really is, and it's time to tell whether it's going to be Duramax, Cummins versus the F450. It's literally 1 truck versus 2, and it's not a huge advantage. Mike's just scared. He's already lost to this truck once cheating, and well, round 2.
All right, fellas, this is gonna be the big ones. We got the Dodge Cummins, the Duramax, and the F450. I don't know what's gonna happen here, to be honest. The Cummins has horrible tires. 3, 2, 1, go! They went nowhere.
If we lose this, at least we're going against 2 trucks. But I think it could be fun. It could be fair. Mike's definitely going to be in 4-wheel drive. You already know that. But it is what it is. Let's have some fun with it. Well, it didn't even budge, actually. That's actually surprising that it didn't budge at all. Not at all. And you pelted my truck with all kinds of rain hail. Oh my God, you peppered me.
So you deserve it.
I did deserve that.
Sorry.
You know what? All's fair. I'm not even mad about it. 2 trucks couldn't even pull the F450. And, well, if nothing else, that's pretty epic. Well, there you have it. What an absolute fun day. The F450, I got to give it to it. It is nothing short of amazing. I mean, it does a lot, and for what it is, I mean, it is absolutely a force to be reckoned with. Now, I did actually untune the truck to do everything today because in my mind, I knew I was going against guys that were going to turn their trucks way up, and I knew they were going to knock their tires off, and I knew you know, as soon as that thing slowly made it up into boost, it was going to be able to, you know, pull its way to a victory, which it pretty much showed in every video. You can tell that that truck was not rolling coal. It was just sort of slowly creeping up into boost, and then it, you know, it did its job. It did what it had to do. So I'd love to get out there. If anybody has another, you know, I'd like to do a 3500 Cummins, or a 4500 Cummins, maybe even a 5500, something like that. Something that's kind of stockish, maybe tuned, you know, deleted, some things like that. I don't know. I want to see what this truck can go up against and do an actual tug-of-war and things like that. But don't forget again, guys, the OBS Chevy giveaway truck, www.senditstevemerch.com. It ends December 16th. Every dollar you spend, 16th. Yeah, 2019. But don't forget, every dollar you spend is an entry to win that truck, and it is going to be given away to one of you guys. It's a killer truck. Trust me, if I wasn't nervous about hurting it and breaking it, because I'm hard on my stuff, I would be driving that thing a lot more. Plus, it's kind of hard to get Mo in and out of the back. But definitely check out the channel for that truck. The truck's killer, and one of you guys are going to end up taking it home. But there you guys have it. If you like the content, please smash that like button. Please subscribe. And we'll see you in an upcoming video. One thing I do want to say before I do sign off here is I'm waiting to see Mike's audio on his brand new GoPro Hero 8. So if my audio, which I do already know, it's kind of a little wishy-washy, but if Mike's audio comes out absolutely killer, I will be upgrading to a GoPro Hero 8. So Mike, I can't wait to see your footage, and thanks for coming out, having a blast today. Andy, again, thanks for coming out. Holden, thanks for being the camera guy. And again, Gene with the Cummins coming through. I know it was a G56. I know he had a manual, he had his disadvantages, but he came out, had some fun, and, you know, we just had a good day. So there it was, guys. If you like the content, again, smash that like button, please subscribe, and we will see you in an upcoming video. Take care, guys.